Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can work in Insightly to make your work experience easier and, let's say, more fun. Insightly is very good at what they are doing with CRM softwares. It's a very successful app, so let's see how we can work in it. First thing, we have to create ourselves an account. Obviously, in my case, it's a trial account, so all those information we are working with are just made up. Or we have to create ourselves a new one. This trial version is very good, so you can see if the Insightly is really the application that you really want to work in. First things first, as you can see, this is our home, our workspace as opportunity dashboard. You can go with recent activities and so on and so on. But let's go with opportunities dashboard. We want to go to actions and also auto refresh dashboard. Yes or no. Or we can go and set to card size, small cards or medium cards. I personally like those medium cards. We can explore our left taskbar as well, which is home button. We already been there. Those are our tasks that are pre-made by Insightly. Contacts, as you can see, all the contacts that we have in here, but we'll get there in a moment. Organizations, leads, we have opportunities with pipeline charts, projects, emails, and so on, calendars, dashboards, and reports. First things first, we want to go to the top right corner, and as you can see, we can manage our account here when you click on your photo. User settings, and now we can tweak around our account, open Gmail for Google Apps to send enoemails, and so on and so on. If you want to make an integration between Insightly and, for example, other program like Zoho Project, Trello, Bamboo, or it's completely up to you. You will have to get your API key if you want to make this integration work, for example, through Zapier. So we will have to basically copy paste this one or generate a new one. API URL and so on and so on. But let's go back, and we really want to come back to the left side of our screen and go to contacts. Once you start fresh in Insightly without your trial, you want to start to build a contact. So let's go and click a new contact. As you can see, my NordPass is trying to sabotage me here, but let's go with the first name. Let's go with Andrew White. Organization. We don't have any organizations yet of our own. We have the pre-made one by Insightly, but we can go and create new organization name. For example, let's go Mstone Company Ltd. Phone, we can make something up. Fax, website, LinkedIn, Facebook profile, billing address, whatever. No, add date to remember. Visibility is very important if you want to really to make it visible only for the record owner or for a team. If you go with a team, you have to select the team, but we don't have any. As you can see, we just created a new organization successfully. And now let's go back to our contact email. Let's go like this. Phone, we can also make it up. and so on and so on. Straight away, we created Andrew White. We don't want to save him. And we can manage all the stuff with Andrew that we want, like related or activities on so on and so on. On the right side, we have an actions. This is very important column. We can edit this contact, obviously, change contact image, delete, clone, change record, but we can also add a new task for contact. You will find this very useful if you just want to go, for example, to, well, let's forget the Andrew for a second and go to Barbara Lane. As you can see, he is working in Jakubowski organization, and as you can see, we can add a new task for her. So, for example, meeting at 13, assign it to me, category, meeting, date, like this, start date, remind me, let's go make it more like that, yada yada yada, and save. And as you can see, also Andrew is present as our contact yet again. And when you click on Barbara Lane, you see the opportunities and so on and so on, but also meeting with us. As we came here, let's go with Andrew and explore his options. Event, activity, and also we can merge the contacts. For example, if we have more workers from Amstone Company Limited. We can go back to organizations, Amstone Company, as I created it before. Also, we have actions here. Lots of choices for us. We can also add a new event. For example, as before, meeting of some sort. So that's very nice way making track of upcoming events with certain companies. We have our leads and lean, for example, lead status disqualified, new is just disqualified. Brian also, let's go with something, yeah. David Matthews, for example, he is on the list, but he's not contacted yet. We can make attempt contact, we can make him contacted or converted. New opportunity in leads. And as you can see, you can make those lead if you want to hire someone, for example. Yeah. We can go to opportunities. As you can see, there's organizations and pipelines. You can track your progress with each and every organization that you proposed to. For example, you wanted to close a deal with Clampit Oil and Gas. And as you can see, according to pipeline, we won and we closed the deal. For example, in this University of Northumbria, we weren't that successful because after negotiations, we lost the deal. Also a very nice way of tracking. For example, King Group, we can change the state. If we crossed the prospecting, we did some analysis, and also, as you can see, there's a probability of winning of every opportunity. For example, 10%. We can change it slightly after, for example, proposal. We can change it to, okay, that's maybe too much. That's not how percentages work. Let's go like this, 70%. And we can now change the status of this pipeline or on this deal. It can be open, won, lost, suspended, or abandoned. Let's go with 1. Reason, product fit, change stage. And yeah, we tracked it. Also, we can check the projects with each and every company that we are dealing with. Also emails, if you select an email to actually make this integration. Calendar, I don't really think that I have to explain it to you, but for example, we have a meeting with yeah, Whirlwinder X520 King Group, as we created it. Dashboards, and also very important reports. So that's really like beginner way of finding out how to work in Insightly. So thanks for watching and see you on the next video.